Chris Hogan could be part of the Giants' plan to replace Odell Beckham Jr.'s production. According to the New York Daily News, Leonard, the Patriots receivers' representatives have spoken to the Giants, who traded their star receiver earlier this week. Hogan, 31, saw his production go down in 2018 despite questions at wide receiver all year for New England. While his 35 catches for 532 yards were more than his 34 for 439 in 2017, Hogan played just 9 games in 2017 and all 16 in 2018. Trading Beckham put the Giants in a likely rebuilding mode. Part of their attempts to keep fans interested might include putting local products on the field. They got Jabril Peppers, a New Jersey native from the Browns in the Beckham trade. Hogan attended Ramapo, NJ, High School in Monmouth.